What is up YouTube, Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, food. We're actually going to do a mystery unboxing from Munchpak. Munchpak is a worldwide subscription service wherein they actually ship you the best snacks from all around the world to your doorstep every month. So we will unbox this, we will check out all the snacks inside, we will taste them, and I will give you guys my feedback. Let's go! Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to announce the mechanics for our giveaway of this Realme 3 smartphone. But the first most important thing you guys have to do to even qualify is to be part of our community. How do you do that? By subscribing to the channel and then hitting the notification bell and following me on Instagram. Go! As the box is covered with some sort of plastic, we need our unboxing knife. So we have our off-white toolkit over here. So it looks like this will be straightforward. We will just cut through the section over here. And yeah, rip it apart. So this is what the box looks like. You have two smiley faces. One, a plain smiley face, and another one, a smiley face with different prints and different images of different iconic places in the world. You have the Colosseum, you have the desert, you have like what looks like Mount Fuji, and a bunch of other nice places. You have Munchpak written along the side with the links or with their handles for their Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account. And again, here on the side, it says here, snacks from around the world delivered to your door. So let's pop this baby open and let's start eating. So this, guys, is what the box looks like. It does say there, like, download the Munchpak snack scanner. You should be able to like scan the barcode and, you know, like do other cool stuff, but I will be doing that later on. It does come with a card. It says here, this Munchpak was made with love just for you by Nick. So Nick, if ever you are watching this, I don't know if you end up watching this, thank you for preparing the Munchpak. So you have like a tissue paper covering the snacks, and here, here we go, guys. We have like a bunch of snacks prepared for us. So we will be taking them out one by one, and we will be testing them. And wow, I mean, it's a lot. This is a lot of food. Okay, so let's get started. This is going to be fun. First up, we have Wrap Snacks Wavy, which is like a jerk barbecue from Cardi B. So of course, Cardi B is one of like the most well-known musicians and artists today, and even says here, stay true to who you are. So let's just, you know, open this up and see what it tastes like. Again, I have no idea. First time I am trying this out. So you have like some sort of barbecue chips over here. So this is like the first ever mukbang that I'm doing on the channel. So, oh, that is really good. It's like the, I have to say this in Tagalog, it's like the most social VCAT ever made. So, that was good. Oh, wow. So again, guys, Wrap Snacks, Cardi B, Jerk Barbecue Wavy Potato Chips. Next, we will try something from Japan. This is the Fujiya Boom Pie Mini Chocolate Cookies. As you guys can see, it's color red, you have the label, and we will be popping this open and testing it and trying it out and see if it tastes any good. So, okay, this is what it looks like. So it's like a chocolate cookie, square cookie. Oh, when it comes to food, the Japanese, even when it comes to their snacks, OMG, this one is good. The chocolate isn't too sweet. You feel the richness of the chocolate, the milkiness, and some sort of bitterness. So it's not overpowering. The sugar is not overpowering. It's just right. This is a really good chocolate pie. 2 thumbs up. Next, we have something from Indonesia. This is the Momochi corn stick roasted corn flavor. So crunchy snack sticks flavored like roasted corn. So this is interesting. So let's, you know, open this up and take a look at what's inside and taste it for ourselves. So this is what it looks like, guys. So it is like a corn stick, a crunchy snack, tastes like roasted corn from Indonesia. Wow. You definitely get the corn. Very powerful taste. A tinge of sweetness, but definitely it's more on the starchy side of the corn than it is the actual like sweetness. Oh, but that's good. Nick, the guy who prepared this, Thank you. Well worth it, man. Super good. Man, next we have something from Germany. This is the Mr. Tom peanut bar. So it says there again on the side, Germany. This is what it looks like. Looks yummy. I love peanuts, so hopefully this tastes really good. By the way, if you're thinking what happens to all of the snacks that I just opened and don't finish, I'll just put them in a jar so my wife and I can eat it later on. So woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This one looks incredibly good. So let me just give you a close-up of what that is. So definitely let's take a bite. Oh wow, that is good. Again, the sugar is not overpowering at all. It's more like peanuts with caramel than it is peanuts with sugar like what you usually get here in the Philippines. This one so far, one of my favorites. Really good. But again, take that with a bit of bias because I am a huge fan of, well, peanuts. So from Indonesia. Oh no, this from Bulgaria. This is the soft croissant with vanilla filling. So again, this is from Bulgaria. Soft croissant from vanilla filling. Says here 7 days baking into every flavor. So it's a fluffy. I have no idea. Let's just open this and test it for ourselves and see what it tastes like. So it does look like your typical croissant, guys. Croissant. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it properly. So it is like a loaf of bread, and this should have like some sort of like vanilla filling in it. So let's take a big bite and taste and find out what the taste is of this bad boy. Oh wow, that is good. OMG. Wow. You know, when you taste some of the Bavarian cream here in the Philippines, it's really more sugar than it is cream. This one, my God, this is the right balance of the custard and the sugar. It's not, I mean, that's, I think, the general sentiment right now. Makes me question why everything in the Philippines, all our snacks are so sweet. Because this is really the right mix. This is really good. So the cream, by the way, is also perfectly balanced in the croissant. It's not something where you take a bite, it's just bread. This one, you get a good spread of the cream throughout the croissant. Croissant. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it. OMG. This one's good. I have to pause because I'll finish this first. And we're back. And the croissant is gone. So, so let's get to the next item. We have from Japan. So this is definitely going to be good. It's called the Tohato Choco Sand Rum Raisin Flavor. So it is a raisin flavored whatever. So let's just pop this open. Very high expectations because again, it does come from Japan, guys. So usually Japan food, especially their snacks, are really good. So let's take a, oh, so it's like small biscuits. So there you have it. It's like a small biscuit with filling inside. So small enough for one bite. Wow. It's some sort of like biscuit with the flour. Then you get the sweetness of the cream and the creaminess, of course, but suddenly you get bombarded with the raisin flavor as it like explodes in your mouth. This is really good. Again, Tohato Choco Sand Rum Raisin Flavor Shortbread Cookies. It's again from Japan. I love this box already. So this one is from Lot Koala March Caramel Flavor. So take a look at that. So it does look like biscuits with some flavor inside. So how do we pop this open? Oh, it's some sort of like, oh, that's easy. So let's just take this apart and open this and see what, oh, it looks so cute. I mean, take a look at that. So you have some sort of like pig drawing over there. As you guys can see, let me just let it focus. And it is supposed to have like some sort of filling inside of it. So let's just try. I love Japan. Japan is the best. Caramel flavor, caramel explosion of cream inside after you bite into it. The contrast between the hard outer shell of the flour of the crusted bread once you bite into it, and then that explosion of cream with caramel. Really good. Again, this one, the Lot Koala March Caramel Flavor. Next up, we have something from Turkey. Wow, never thought I'd have something. Oh, this is a bit hard to eat, so I'll save this for last. Next up, we have the Milka Oreo Sandwich Bar from Romania. So here you guys have it. This is what it looks like together with the Oreo branding and what it would look like probably if you pop it open. So this is like the hardest job ever. But it's much better than doing sneakers. But anyway, so let's just pop this open. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, there you go. There you go. So it's now unwrapped. So it's like a food unwrapping versus unboxing. So it is a bit deformed, but let's take one. Oh, so it's literally like an Oreo wrapped in chocolate. Wow, they weren't kidding about what it looked like, guys. It's like Oreo, literally wrapped in chocolate. Next, we have something from China. This is the Fruity Monkey Party Gummies. So again, from China. Now, I'm not a fan of gummy bears. I really am not. So I will not eat this anymore. But yeah, if you guys are a fan, it comes with this one. You also have like the Galil Cranberry Apple Herbal Tea. Of course, I will not be able to try it out right now. But at least you know it comes with some sort of drink. And again, we have the candy from Turkey, which I will no longer take because I'm just so much full already. So let's do a quick recap. You have the Fruity Monkey from China. You have the tea. You have that amazing Milka Oreo sandwich bar from Romania. We have the mini Fujiya Boom Pie mini chocolate cookies from Japan. This one is really, really good. We have the Choco Sand, again from Japan also, the Tohato Choco Sand Rum Raisin flavor, the one with the explosion of raisin in your mouth. We have the Indonesia corn sticks over here. We have the Koala Bear that came, I think, also from Japan, the Lotte Koala March Caramel flavor. We have one of my personal favorites, the Mr. Tom's Peanut Bar from Germany. We have the one from USA, the Wrap Snacks Wavy Cardi B potato chip barbecue. And you have, lastly, already gone, already finished. This is the soft croissant with vanilla filling from Bulgaria. So all of those things inside the Munchpak, so, well, mystery pack or mystery package. Now, if you guys want to try this out yourselves, it is a great snack box for your family, a great way to bring the family together. You unbox it together. It will be so much fun, especially if you're with your kids. It's a great Sunday activity. Oh, I do have like great news for you. I can give you a discount. So all you guys have to do is to check out the details that are written in the description box as well as pinned in the comment section so that you can have a discount on your first Munchpak. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We're going back to sneakers and tech starting Tuesday. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.